into the 20th Congress, we will be able to compel our legislators to finally pass the decade struggle of the SOGI-SC Equality Bill. Dahil 2 dekada na po siya. So mula po sa amin sa Verde Creatives, bilang transgender po ang nauna, bilang isang public relations hub, katungkulan ko din po na magbahagi pabalik sa aking komunidad para nang sa ganon, makatulong din naman po kami for equal rights. Last year, we did the Queen of Baguio, 2024, in our aspiration for visibility for transgender Filipinas. And naiiwan po talaga yung transgender. While lesbian and gays are moving and bisexual, napag-iwanan din po ang transgender community. We have a long battle ahead. That's why inuuna kahit papaano, yun yung taktika ng Verde Creatives. And in Verde Creatives for this photo campaign, we have 31 individuals who have joined, 26 LGBT individuals are out and proud, and 5 straight allies have joined us. Beyond that, we were supported by a long-time ally, Senator Lauren Legarda. She will come up with a solidarity message soon. And of course, a very symbolic advocate inside Congress, Representative Geraldine Roman. She is supporting us. Another supporter, Representative Lenlen Alonte, a 3-term congresswoman. We also have a personal friend, the former executive director, si Attorney Robert Page, is supporting us. Kaya yung parte po dito we're revealing, mamaya unveiling because they're the group of the LTFRB, government employees of the LGBT association that we created. The first in the transport sector of the DOTR na nakabuo po ng asosasyon ng LGBT. Yes, that's why they're joining us to make it a powerful force yung ating Pride Photo Campaign. And then, we're supported of course this coffee house. I told them Miss Barbie kanina, owned by my lesbian friends, they're couples, yung Dark Rose Coffee House, always. They've been helping us. Saka yung Tikan, diba? The diving gear, they're also this. And Intermatrix next, no? For the printed photos for our installation. We will reveal more later about that and we will discuss and you can ask more about that. So, hindi ko na po patatagalin because aside from the PR material, you'll be asking more personal questions sa amin. Political is personal, so we will accept the challenge of all of that, questions. Why we are doing this? Bakit nilalantad namin ang aming mukha? We're putting these brave faces to represent. While we do not represent the entire universe of the LGBT community, we want to put our face there. It's a very hard struggle. Pero, ang sabi nga namin, we want to be equality champ sa isang maganda at makabuluhang laban. Okay? So, I will now introduce my co-panelists to give their opening statement. Of course, the Executive Director of the Society of Transsexual Women of the Philippines. Please welcome Ms. Vashti Ortega.
Thank you everyone for being here today, and I'm really very excited and very proud because of the Equality Champions campaign that we know that showcases diversity and the movement in itself, right? And how we can leverage this imagery to the Congress. And I think we really are excited that Ms. Belms is doing this for us because she's also a trans Pinay and she has been in the movement for so long. And I don't know, malawak na ang kanyang lived experience. So we really trust in her creativity in pushing this advocacy forward. And I'm really super excited to share that we just launched our legal gender recognition bill. So, meron po kami bill na i-endorse din sa Kongreso, sa legislative. And through this Equality Champions campaign, we are also giving faces to more rights now we need to claim. Because what we're saying is that we cannot just move, we know we're stuck with the anti-discrimination bill, but it should not stop us there, right? We need more rights because sabi nga nila, di ba, we're human beings in dignity and in rights, dapat protected tayo ng ating gobyerno. And it is their obligation to fulfill these rights, and the government should be able, and through us, right, through the movement, through the groundswell of the trans feminist movement, ay mabuo natin ito. Isa doon ay itong super exciting and creative campaign that we're doing, and a lot of the strap girls, trans Pinay leaders, are in this in this campaign. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Ashti. And of course, di ba, dumaan din po ako sa posisyon niya. Siya na po ang kinatawan ngayon. Tinanong po ako sa Baguio, nagpapahinga ka na ba? I think once an advocate will always be an advocate. But we don't monopolize leadership. We have to pass on. Di ba? Hindi parating ikaw ang nasa unahan ng laban. Pero nananatili ka sa tabi ng laban, sino man ang nasa lider. No further introduction. The chairperson by party, ang Ladlad Party, Mr. Dexter Macau.
Ladlad proudly presents a collection of powerful images from our recent photo shoot, a visual testament to the vibrant diversity and resilience of the LGBT community. Equality champions, magandang laban. These images do not merely capture four faces. Ito ay may kwento ng stories of strength, identity, at pagtanggap kung sino ka at kung ano ka. Bawat larawan ay may kwento ng sariling katangian, nagpapakita ng ganda at pagkakaiba. We extend our deepest gratitude to Very Creative, Ms. Beth Benedito, our Ladlad former chairperson and two-time nominee for Ladlad, for visionary partnership in this impactful initiative. Ang kanilang pangako ay palalakasin ang boses ng LGBT sa pamagitan ng malikhaing pagpapahayag na may pag-ibig at pagtanggap sa aming hanay. Ito ay nagpapatunay na may potensyal na dulot ng pagbabago, magpalaganap at malasakit ng LGBT na magtutulay sa atin sa ibang sektor. The collaboration with Very Creatives and Ladlad, Strap, and One LGBT Pilipinas, by showcasing these powerful photos, we are not only affirming our own identities, but also inspiring others to find strength in their truths. They remind us that we are not alone in our struggles and that together we can foster a more inclusive and accepting society. Bawat larawan ay simbolo ng pagkakaisa at kolektibong lakas ng bawat isa. Ang Ladlad ay ang natatanging partidong politikal sa bansa na itinatag noong September 3, 2003 ni Professor Datong Remoto. Sinabi kong nag-iisang partidong politikal dahil wala pa naman nag-a-attempt na ibang LGBT organization na sumubok sa politika. Once again, thank you Very Creative, to Ms. Benz Benedito, Ms. Barbie Artache, and Ms. Vashti Ortega, and one LGBT Pilipinas. Thank you.
Thank you, Ben. So, yan po mula sa Ladlad. And of course, the last, ito talaga, sabi ko, she has to be part of the Pride Photo campaign. Because, ang ganda po ng transition. Siya sabi ko sa kanya, from sparkle of the crown to the grassroots movement. Kailangan may ganun po na transition, na movement para sa kanya. At yung tao na yon na nakapunta sa bawat pageant, sa bawat sulok ng Pilipinas. Kasi kami noon nangampanya kami, hindi naman namin napuntahan lahat. But I think the pageantry, that platform that she used to reign, ay nagawa niya yon. She was able to gain prominence by doing that platform that she rightfully deserves. That's why I asked her that she has to lend the image, she has to lend the voice, kumpletuhin na niya, di ba? Para sa representasyon ng LGBT. It is my distinct honor and privilege the beauty empress of the LGBT community at ang pambansang leader ng One LGBT Filipinas Incorporated at tagapayo po ng Philippine Financial and Inter-Industry Prior PFIP Council. Buong galang pong pagmamalaki na pinapakilala, Binibining Maria Barbie Ann Arcache.
Oh my God, how can I top that introduction? Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Good afternoon to everybody. First of all, I would like to congratulate our dear Bianx Benedito of Verde Creatives for this wonderful photo unveiling of the Equality Champions Magandang Laban. It's something really, really amazing. Of course, for my co-panelists here as well, Vashti Ortega, how are you? She looks very beautiful. Of course, we were just in Baguio a few days ago as we were part of the Equality Expo of Baguio City. And of course, the head, a good friend of mine, Dexter Macaldo. Maraming salamat as well for this wonderful invitation. I've known them for a while. Dems and Dexter, I've known them for, how should we say it, decades.
Yeah.
Decades already, right?
First member of Ladlado.
Yes, I was one of the original first members of the Ladlado party list that time. As you see, in my life, I thought being an LGBT is as simple as doing pageants. Competing in different provinces around the Philippines from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Oh, just to interject, I was also a member of the STRA, the Society of Transgender Women, one of the original members as well. So as I was growing in our community, the LGBT, ang akala ko ang pagiging parte ng LGBT ay parang pagpapaganda lamang. Magpa-cute, mag-pageant, tumampas sa entablado, magpakita sa mga tao na maganda rin kami at kaya namin sumabay sa mga babae sa entablado ng Binibining Pilipinas. But there's more to that. There's more to just showing to people that it's not all about the physical beauty that matters, but how can you share that beauty that you have within your heart? I mean, some people will just have to say na, oh, she's just being ambitious. But what is my purpose in life? I have competed for more than 2.5 decades in pageantry. 25 taon ng pagpapageant sa buong Pilipinas, mula Luzon, Visayas, hanggang Mindanao. Now that I am sort of called retired, what's next? And I want to share that advocacy to everybody, that after that you have shined, or you've shown your best in a certain field, what's next for all of us? Maybe you've become a great business manager or a great business owner, but after that, what's next? Are we going to be stagnant? We cannot be stagnant, because once that you become stagnant, you just become matter. And matter only occupies space. And we don't need to just occupy space. We need to fill the space and find your purpose in this world. That's why right now, I think I have found my purpose. To show to everybody that we, the LGBTQIA+ community, is not just matter. We are here to move and shape the world, to show to them that we are, of course, needing of human rights.